Did you know that your voice could be your next big moneymaker? Whether you're a seasoned speaker or just starting out, there are multiple ways to earn money using nothing but you in your voice. Let's dive into some of the best methods to monetize your voice. And yes, you can get started today. First up, voiceovers for YouTube channels. Did you know that thousands of YouTubers are looking for voiceovers? You can find jobs on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Voices.com, and Fiverr. You don't need to be a pro to get started. Just decent equipment and a solid portfolio. It's an easy way to get your foot in the door and start building a reputation. The best part, many YouTube channels care more about quantity than studio-level quality. As long as your audio is clear and free from distractions, you're good to go. So, if you've got basic recording gear, you can start making money right away. No need for a fancy studio. Now, here's a tip to boost your income. Specialize in a niche. Channels on tech reviews, gaming, or even finance are always looking for consistent voiceover artists. By focusing on a niche, you'll become an expert in that field, which means bigger and better paying opportunities. Once you've built some experience, the real money comes in custom voice work. Brands, businesses, and ad agencies are always on the lookout for fresh voices to represent their products. If you invest in top-quality recording equipment and maybe even some voice coaching, you could land high-paying gigs. So, what are you waiting for? Your voice is a valuable tool, and with the right approach, you can turn it into a profitable business. Whether it's through YouTube, freelancing, or custom voice work for brands, the earning potential is limitless. Hit that subscribe button for more tips on how to monetize your skills and start your journey to making money with your voice.